Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhavas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today we are continuing with the Ramashtakam series of videos. That is Pramanika Ramashtakam. We have taken up, and then today I will be rendering shloka number 3 and 4. So third and fourth shlokas I will be rendering, and as usual I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen also for the benefit of those who don't know. Those who already know, well and good. These are fantastic rhyming shlokas. Even children can enjoy and elders also can enjoy. It is very simple, wonderful, fantastic composition in Pramanika Chandas or poetic meter. So that is it. I will just recite the shlokas now, and I will also give the verbatim meanings which will help you to remember and mug up the shlokas very well and quickly. That is it. So here I go. Shloka numbers 3 and 4 from Pramanika Ramashtakam. Swatata Vakyakarinam Tapovane Viharinam Karesu Chapadharinam Namami Ramamishwaram. Repeat again. Swatata Vakyakarinam Tapovane Viharinam Karesu Chapadharinam Karesu Chapadharinam Namami Ramamishwaram. So fantastic composition. We just examine the meaning of third shloka. Swatata Vakya Karinam. Very simple. Swatata means his own father. Tata means father in Sanskrit. So his own father is obeyed his father's words. Swatata Vakya Karinam. He obeyed and performed what is to be done. What has to be done is performed according to his father's words. Swatata Vakya Karinam. Okay. And then moving on. Tapovane Viharinam. He wandered in the forest of meditation. Tapovane, forest of meditation. Viharinam, he wandered. He was he met various sages in the forest, this forest of meditation. So that is the Vanavasam. Tapovane Viharinam. And then moving on. Karesu Chapadharinam. As part of the Shastra Dharma, he always carried bows and arrows to protect his citizens who were in trouble. So that is it. Karesu Chapadharinam. Very simple. Kids can understand this very easily. And it is such a simple composition, fantastic composition in Pramanika Chandas. These shlokas are especially meant for kids, but also elders can equally enjoy and learn singing. So fantastic, full of rhythmic alliteration. So we will recite this third shloka again. Swatata Vakyakarinam Tapovane Viharinam Karesu Chapadharinam Namami Ramamishwaram. So moving on, we will take a fourth shloka now. Kuranga Mukta Sayakam Jatayu Mokshadayakam Kuranga Mukta Sayakam Jatayu Mokshadayakam Pravidhatishanayakam Namami Ramamishwaram. Again fantastic. Kuranga Mukta Sayakam. Kuranga means a deer. Mukta Sayakam. Sayaka means arrow. So he shot an arrow of the deer. Meaning he shot an arrow of the disguised Rakshasa. That was Maricha. He killed him. So Kuranga Mukta Sayakam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So observe the alliteration. Fantastic rhyming words and how it comes adjusting to the chandas. Beautiful composition. Kuranga Mukta Sayakam Jatayu Moksha Dayakam. He granted salvation to Jatayu. There are all very famous stories, and we observe the alliteration, bringing the alliteration and the chandas. Fantastic poetry, brilliant poetry, simple and brilliant. Simple yet brilliant. That is a superb composition. So moving on. Pravidha Kisha Nayakam. Kisha again means king of monkeys. Here it means Vali. Pravidha Kisha Nayakam means he shot an arrow at Vali and killed him. So that is the meaning. Because Vali was an Adharmi according to Ramayana. That is it. So we will not enter into other discussions. So word to word meaning I have given. So Kuranga Mukta Sayakam, shot an arrow in the day, the disguised Rakshasa called Maricha. Jatayu Moksha Dayakam, granted moksha or salvation to Jatayu. Pravidhatisha Nayakam, killed Wali, shooting an arrow at him. That is the meaning. Namami Ramam Ishwaram. Fantastic compositions with wonderful alliterations. So we'll recite this third and fourth shlokas again and wrap up this video. In the next upcoming video, I'll take up fifth and sixth shlokas of Pramanika Ramashtakam. So here I go, third and fourth shlokas again. Swatata Vakya Karinam Tapovane Viharinam. Swatata Vakya Karinam Tapovane Viharinam Karesu Chapadharinam Namami Ramamishwaram Puranga Mukta Sayakam Jatayu Moksha Dayakam Pravidhatisha Nayakam Namami Ramamishwaram. You might have observed the la 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 tunes which as same as that in Mudakaratta Modakam. La 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 le, la 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 le. This is exactly Pramadika tune. This is how this poem continues. Kuranga Mukta Sayakam Jatayu Moksha Dayakam Pravidhatisha Nayakam Namami Ramamishwaram. La 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 le, la 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 le. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? You can just mug up these wonderful shlokas and try singing it aloud and enjoy for yourself. Enjoy the elation, devotion, melody and whatnot. So that is it. You will reap wonderful good benefits. So bye for now. The upcoming video will take up fifth and sixth shlokas of Ramashtakam, Pramanika Ramashtakam. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762000815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sakti Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.